Where did you get this music? McDonald's? Can you dance? Woo! McDonald's? And that haircut? All in one day? Who did you go with? Who went with you? Dad? He took you to get your haircut? McDonald's? Dad went to McDonald's? What's your sister doing?
Ashton, what do you think you're doing?
Did you teach her that?